it's always tempting, isn't it, to look at this and go, oh, is this the start of a wider trend? And does that mean Monzo and all of these others are going to start to go down the same route? Not necessarily.
What do you think, though, Ross, about the doing it in the US thing? And we've had Nikolai at Revolut coming out and saying, doing it in London just isn't rational. Obviously, we're talking about Klarna. I think TS at Monzo has sort of made slight kissy faces at doing it in the US if they ever did do it. Like, is this a trend of the US is just a bit more appealing?
Yep.
We'll move on then.
But look, I think it's indicative of a wider issue with sort of brand UK at the moment, right? We're forecasted to be the slowest growing nation in the G7 from an economic growth perspective. There's some. There was a report that's just been released by the FT that shows that in 2024, businesses that went public in the UK raised the least amount on record. There are concerns there around valuations, concerns around liquidity. And I don't think this is necessarily something that's going to get addressed and turned around really quickly. There is a fundamental problem there that needs to be addressed. And it's not just around the London Stock Exchange and going public. I think it's actually indicative of a much bigger issue.